We take this time to honor today's four-state hero, Sergeant Edwin Turlington, Jr., who served in the United States Army from 1988 to 1992. His hometown, Afton, Oklahoma. We're proud to salute Edwin Turlington, Jr., our four-state hero.
No, over the weekend we had a fourth birthday for one of the coolest names I've seen show up on a list, especially when you're a weather geek. Pike Lyle Storm, the PLS, now big number 4, out on the water and celebrating in Jasper. Pike, I want you to have a great birthday week, kiddo.
I wonder if he's trying to build a boat with those.
This is a cool name too, right here.
Yeah, I like it. Jet Johnson. Turning 4 years old this year. Jet is in Bronson, Kansas.
Look at the curls on that kid.
Look at that. Is that a baby lamb he's holding? That's so cute.
That's a great picture. Ryder Wetzel, he got his 7th birthday. Oh, I think so. I think somebody may have had a birthday celebration at a indoor pool right there.
Nice.
That's how you live it up, my man. Happy birthday to Ryder in the Berg.
All right, Jordan Stanley, turning 8 years old this year. Happy birthday to Jordan in Nevada.
That picture warms my heart. I love that picture. Well done, Jordan. Well done. Jack Dark Strickland. What? You caught what?
That fish is bigger than him.
All right, Jack Dark, here's the deal, dude. I don't know where the honey hole is, and chances are you're not going to tell me, but you know, if you if you ever want to show a weather guy like where you slaying things like that, I'd love to know. Happy 8th birthday to Jack Dark in Cherryville.
All right, in Crestline, our neighbor Jeremiah Palmer, turning 10 years old this year. Happy birthday, Jeremiah.
Let's run out to Chanute, where Ava Gentis celebrates her 11th birthday. Ava, very happy birthday to you.
Down in Miami, Hayden Sloan, turning 11 years old. Hayden with the flexible abilities.
Okay.
We call that the crab.
Sierra Neville, she got to celebrate a teenage weekend as she hit the big 1-3. Sierra, happy birthday to you in Arma.
Just a teenager now and already giving us the peace out there.
Yeah.
All right, having a birthday on Saturday. Also joining the teenage club, Kyler Beard, 13 years old in Columbus.
I need to take some wardrobe tips from Kyler there. A good looking picture, man. Mallory Haley, she is celebrating her 14th birthday. And Mallory, I want you to know this birthday wish comes with love from Mom, Dad, and Macy. Mallory's in Miami.
All right. Cohen Frankenberry, turning 14 years old this year. Cohen is in Fredonia with birthday wishes coming from your grandparents.
Kylie Pierce, a happy 14th birthday to you. We're going to turn back the clock and embarrass you a little bit. There's a younger Kylie back in her toddler days. Kylie, happy birthday in Altoona.
Yep, sitting on the ride-along in her underwear.
Hey, weren't
Thanks,
we all
Mom.
at some point in our life? The answer to that is yes, Kylie. We all did that.
Yes, we did. Yes. All right, Desi Burr, turning 17 years old this year. Beautiful picture there. Desi in Lamar.
I wish more people were like Ashton Hetty, because I got to give you a little background on this. So Ashton on Friday, well, number one, I just glanced up and looked at the picture. Wow. Ashton, you're probably not going to give away the location, but if you ever want to do, there's a weather guy that would go slay with you on that. But here's the deal. Sometimes, you know, we get to our no picture list and there are certain people that we know and we're like, hey, come on, you know, we'll get you next year and everything. Anyway, Ashton comes back with the picture this go round. So Ashton, thank you for that. And I appreciate you leading by example, and I appreciate that catch that you have right there. She's in Girard.
All right, Bryce Hensley turning 19 years old this year. That's
Wow.
right there. Happy birthday to Bryce in Nevada.
Very few things do we have that, very few pictures ever say, my vehicle for scale, as far as how tall Bryce is. That's good. Dalton Meisner, now the big 2-0. Little Chanute Blue Comet pride right there. Happy birthday, Dalton.
Paul Cupp Jr. turning 37 years old this year. Happy birthday to Paul in Crestline.
We're going to start with the L twins. We'll start with Lisa. because she's got to put up with Kenny right there. And a happy 50th birthday to you, Miss Lisa, and she is on the left right there. And now Linda, her twin sister, and on the far right, Linda, a happy 50th birthday to you as well. Lisa is in Arma. Linda, her twin sister, is in Independence.
All right. Larry Etheridge turning 68 years old this year in Chanute. Happy birthday to Larry.
Salt of the earth right here. Have had the opportunity to know her for quite some time. Cindy Leverance. Nobody would ever guess that Cindy is 69 years old, that is for sure. Cindy, happy birthday to you. Tell the fam that all of us here said hi. She's in Pittsburgh.
All right, and Kathy Swaney turning 70 years old this year. Kathy is in Galena.
And 70 as well for Pat Dudley. Happy birthday to you, Miss Pat. She is celebrating in Moran.
John Riddles turning 75 years old this year. His birthday was actually Friday. We've got a little mention here. I guess that's his grandson there in the middle. He never turns down the opportunity to fly with them. So, is that a plane in the background?
Yeah, I'm glad you read that note, because when I saw the picture, I'm like, that's an airplane in the background.
That's cool. They're in Carthage. Happy birthday, John.
That's awesome. Max Ludlam, happy 88th birthday to you, Mr. Ludlam. He is celebrating in Elsmore.
Joyce Holman in Columbus. Happy birthday, Joyce.
And who that is? That dude right there. Look at him. Man, I tell you what, you wouldn't know the struggles that kid has gone through. Look at that picture right there. And he's still fighting. That's the fighter. That's the fightingest fighter I ever seen, while keeping my language clean on air. That is Christian Hetty. That is the son of our own Douglas J. Hetty. And I think a lot of you know that what the Hetty family and what Christian has been through for a year now. Doug gives updates on the Facebook page, and I think I can go ahead and speak for Doug when I say this. The tremendous outpouring of support that has come throughout the entire 4 states for that young man right there has meant the world to the entire family, him and his mother, Doug and Christian's mother. And I thank you from all of us here at KOM and Fox 14 for all the support that you have shown them. And Christian, get your rear end back home, kid. Get it back home to Webb City so we can celebrate with a big party. All right? We love you, dude.
All right. Happy birthday, Christian.
Doris Richardson, happy birthday in Columbus. And as a matter of fact, if we stay in the bus, that's where Earl Hemphill is celebrating his 92nd. Happy birthday to you, Mr. Hemphill. And speaking of the bus, Lorna Stover. She is celebrating a birthday in Columbus as well. Happy birthday, Lorna.
Mike and Roberta Ward are celebrating 14 years together. The Wards are in Erie, Kansas. Brian Martin turns the big 5-0 this year in Columbus. Birthday wishes coming from Mom and Dad. And we might have missed this birthday last Friday, but we definitely want to say happy birthday to you, Jana.
Well, and it goes back and forth each year about pictures, and Danny Thomas is our general manager here. He's maybe watching, so I'm gonna walk out on that limb right now. Jana, number one, thank you for keeping the Thomas boys in line, which we all know that you do. We know we got you. And it goes back and forth. It alternates years whether or not we get one of Jana's pictures. Because I think sometimes Danny sends me a picture, and then Jana's like, no, don't send the picture. And so I can't call her out, because I'm smart enough not to call Jana Thomas out on anything. And all you kids in the Seneca School District, nah, you're spoiled. You know that. You guys know you love Miss Thomas. Happy birthday to you, Jana. We're going to come back. So we'll wrap up this edition of the KOM Morning News. Do you need to do your announcement? All right, let's get out of here. We'll be right back after this.